Once Passport has been successfully installed, some basic data will need to be added to the application before it's ready to be deployed for the day-to-day user. In this video, we'll demonstrate the chronological order of how these items should be added to Passport. To begin, you'll first log in with the username and password of admin, and at that point you can either come to the admin ribbon at the top or select the admin folder from the folder tree. Come down to Users and click on the Users folder. Here is where you'll first be able to add yourself as an administrator to the application. And once you've added yourself as an administrator, you'll then come down to the Persons folder, and this is where you'll add any additional people that you have. And once you've added all the additional people, you can then come back to User, click New, and add all of those individuals as users of Passport. And once you've created all the people and all of your users, you can then come under the admin folder here and click on Site. And this is where you will be able to edit the information about your company. Once you've updated that information, click on System Configuration. Now this will generally be configured upon the installation. However, if you need to make changes, this is where you would do so. Once you've made any of the changes you need to, then you can click on Field Control, and this is where you'd be able to edit and rename any of the fields or tabs within Passport. Once you've had the fields renamed, you can then click on Barcode Number Generator, and this is where you'd be able to activate an additional barcode number generator for the fields within that Passport. Once you've got any additional barcode number generators added, you can click on Security Group, and this is where you'll be able to add security groups and determine who's able to view, edit, and delete specific fields within the application. Finally, you'll click on Departments, and this is where you'll add any additional departments that your company may have. Now once this information's been added, at that point you're ready to pre-create your ecosystem. To begin this, you can either start by clicking the admin ribbon and starting with Dispose To. You can also use the folder tree on the left by clicking Files and then going to Dispose To, or you can use the life cycles in the middle and then choose Dispose To from there. Here's where you'll be able to add all the methods of disposal. Once you're done adding all of your methods of disposal, you can then come to the Issuees folder and add all of the issuees that you may have. Once all those have been added, you'll then want to add any additional suppliers that you have. Once you've added all your suppliers, at that point then you can come up and add all the locations where your inventory resides. Now once you've added all the locations, finally you can come up and add the stock items themselves into the application here. At this point, once you've added all the data files, then it's ready to be deployed for the day-to-day user.